Hello my beautiful people, you're all welcome back to my channel. My name is Oge, a working mom of two living in Austria. If you're new here, you're welcome. For my old subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. For you that are coming back to watch my videos without subscribing, thank you. For those of you that have been sharing my videos, my hands are up. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So in today's video, I'm going to be mentioning 4 must-have documents if you want to study abroad. Those of you, many of you have sent me a lot of questions regarding to this. So I have decided to treat it so that you really understand what you're supposed to do. So the first must-have document is your international passport, a valid international passport. If you're going for your first degree, make sure that your international passport is valid above 5 years. If you're going for your master's, make sure that your international passport is valid above 3 years. Okay. Make sure that the name on your international passport corresponds to the names on your documents. Very important. If you're divorced, make sure you have a certificate showing that your marriage is dissolved. If you're married, make sure there's something to prove to attach to your international passport that your name has been changed or something. So that is that. The second one is your educational certificates. If you're going for your first degree, all you need is your high school certificate. That's all you need. In terms of educational certificates, make sure that it's translated if need be. Make sure that it's legalized. If you're coming from Nigeria, what you need is your WAEC or your SSCE. Austria government, they do not accept, or Austria universities, they do not accept NECO. Having said that, if you're coming for your master's, what you need is your BSc or BAd certificates and your transcript. If they need you to translate it, make sure that it's authorized, it's a school authorized by Austrian embassy. Go and translate it, legalize it, and get ready. It is very important that you always check Austria website for an update. Then you also need your transcript if you're going for your master's. Translate it if need be, legalize it, and get them ready. It is required. The next step is language certificate proficiency. If you're going for an English course, you will need English language certificate proficiency for your first degree and master's. Some schools will skip it, some do not. If you're going for German course, you will need German language proficiency. If you're going for both, they teach both in German and in English, you will need both certificates. That is that. The next thing you will need is your passport, your most recent passport. You will need it. It is very important. Get them ready. So these are the must-have documents that I have mentioned. For those of you who are confused, I hope this has cleared the air. Whatever document you're taking, then make sure that it is legalized. Okay, so let's go into answering your questions. If you have sent me a question from January to this date, please watch this video because I'll be treating your question. The first person said, special greeting to you. My name is so person, a Nigerian and accounting graduate from Michael Obara University of Agriculture, Umudike. I intend to study at the University of Vienna, Austria. I saw your YouTube video on how to study in the University of Austria and wish to make inquiry regarding the tuition fee payment from the school website. Tuition fees are pegged at €726.72 per semester for international students, but wish to inquire if the fees are if the fees payments are made as a lump sum for both semesters or are paid separately at the start of each semester. Thank you, as I look forward to hearing from you. Okay, you don't need to do a lump sum for both semesters. It's paid every semester, okay? The 726 euro 72 cents is, you are going to pay it just per semester. That is what you're going to pay. The next semester you pay another one. Hopefully I've answered your question. So the second person said, Dear Oge, this is regards for masters. I just subscribed to your YouTube channel due to the quality of information on it. My son is studying for BSc Mechatronics Engineering at Bellas University of Technology at Ottawa, Ogun State. When he graduates, would it be possible for him to do an MSc program in Mechatronics Engineering in Austria? And Nigerian undergraduate degrees accepted for postgraduate studies. Can he get a scholarship? Looking forward to hearing from you. Yes, the first question is, yes, he can do his master's in this course of study, but I have not really checked about mechatronics engineering, but anything engineering, Austria University's law set, okay? Go ahead and Google about schools on mechatronics engineering, okay? If he have good grades, even third class, they accept it. Yes, they will be accepted, okay? There are a lot of scholarships here. He can start from Nigeria to look for some, and there when he comes here, he can as well look for. I'll drop some link on this video. Check it out, scholarship links, in case you find any of them useful. Okay, hopefully I've answered your question. Thank you so much for subscribing. The next person said, hello ma, good evening. I want to apply to study in UK, but I don't really have sponsors. And the school fees is expensive. Since I have a budget of about 4.5 million, do you think Austria will be the best for me? It depends on what you want, my dear. I don't know what is best for you because I don't know who you are. All I know is that Austria is a well-developed country. People are trooping in because of the low tuition fee. And there's enough security, okay? It's a very strong economy, Austria. The only thing people see as a disadvantage is the language, but do not see it as a disadvantage, okay? So you have to make a research on yourself and know if it is what you want. Because I don't know what you want, but Austria is good, okay? Secondly, can I find a job that I can use and support myself while I study easily, considering the fact I need to learn the language? Yes, you can, my dear. You have maximum of 20 hours every week as a student. And during your holidays, you can even do more, work more hours to support yourself. Okay? So it's not a problem. You can always find a job. Secondly, do you think I can learn the language in a year? It depends on your capability, my dear. You can even learn in less than 2 months. Okay? Yes. If you have interest in studying in Austria, go on YouTube now and start learning. You can learn it. It is possible. Hopefully, I've answered your question. So, the next person said, good day, ma'am. My name is so person. The school I'm applying to in Austria is requesting for JAMB results. Will I have to notate it before taking it to Ministry of Foreign Affairs? Because Ministry of Education would authenticate JAMB stuff. I don't know about that. It's weird that they are requesting for JAMB stuff. Normally they don't. What they will ask you is your high school living certificate, which is your SSCE or your WAEC. So, but if they refuse to legalize it, you write them an email that down there in Nigeria, they don't legalize such documents. That's all. But I hardly hear that schools here request for JAMB's result. Okay, all you need, prepare your SSCE and send to them, legalize them and send to them. Hopefully I've answered your question. The next person say, hi ma, sorry to disturb you. We have all the requirements after watching your video and about to start verification process for family reunification visa. My question is, I'm a master's student and my dependent is my spouse. While I'm on student visa, can my spouse work in Austria? Sure, my dear, she can work as long as you meet all the requirements. And I have made a video about that. Check it out, okay? Yes, she can work. She will come with students, family reunion visa, she can work. Sure. So the next person said, she's from India, Biju, I don't know how to pronounce the first name, from Kerala, India. I saw your YouTube video about nursing in Austria. After my 12th class, I studied German language till B1 level and qualified go to German B1 exam. I would like to know that, is there any chance to study nursing in German in Austria? Yes, my dear. Very, very, very many big opportunity, because nursing here mainly is in German language. So I'm going to link a link on this video, okay? Check it out. There are so many nursing schools offering nursing in German, okay? Could please help me to know more details? Just like I've said, I'm going to drop some links for you in this video to check out the schools yourself, okay? So this is all we have for now. Please guys, subscribe, like this video, share with family and friends, and I will see you guys in my next one. If you have any question, drop it at my Instagram at styleoge. If you don't have an Instagram, you can send me a message on my email, styleoge@gmail.com. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.